Assalamu alaikum students, today I am doing question number 3 of exercise 6.3, which is at page number 127. Question number 3 is, I am reading, find the value of k for which expression will become a perfect square. You know, perfect square means your remainder should be 0, and again you have to find this square root. Now if you have done question number 2, then you know how to find square root by division method. Okay, perfect square, it means you have to find square root by division method. So come to this first part, as we have done in question number 2. First you will take the square root of first term, that is in rough. When I took this square root, my answer is 2x square. Okay, square root of first term is 2x square, which becomes its divisor and its quotient both. Then you will multiply to 2 times 4x4, leave some space, and you know this 4x4 has plus sign, so I want to change signs. New sign will be minus. Cancel it and bring this term down. It becomes minus 12x cube plus 37x square minus 42x plus k. Okay, so now come to this part. As you know, you will add this term or multiply it with 2, both are same, so it becomes 4x square. As I have told you, okay, write this 4x square over here, okay, and raise this thing. Now come to its next part. Again you have to find its quotient. I have given you a tip that whenever you have to find quotient, you should divide this first term. ये जो remainder आ रहा है, the first term of remainder, मैं green marker से use कर लेती हूँ. First term of remainder minus 12x cube divided by first term of this divisor. Already I have one divisor, तो it means हम इसी को consider करेंगे. It will cancel, 4 3s are 12, so minus 3x. My next divisor is minus 3x. Next you will multiply both these terms with this quotient. Okay, both the terms of the divisor with this quotient, because you have already done this multiplication. Now multiply, right? मैं ऐसा करती हूँ. Yes, now multiply 4x square with minus 3x. 4 3s are minus 12x cube, and minus minus plus 3 3s are 9x square. Again leave some space and you will change the sign of this expression, okay, which you have written over here. So old sign is minus, new sign will be plus. Look here, my old sign is plus, and when I change sign it becomes minus, right? They will cancel with each other. 3 7 minus 9, it becomes 28x square minus 42x plus k. So again you have to write this divisor again, that is minus 3x, or multiply it with 2, so 4x square minus 6x minus 6x, and yes, इसको रेस कर देंगे, ठीक है, minus 6x. Then again come to find its quotient. Now the turn of finding quotient. Again very simple rule, and the rule is divide this first term. First term को हम divide करेंगे with this first term of the divisor. First term of remainder will be divided by first term of the divisor to get quotient. 4x square, x square cancel with 4 7s are 28. So yes, your answer is, your quotient is 7. Write 7 over here, 7 over here, and it becomes now multiply this division also done, right? Sorry, multiplication also done. Now come to its last quotient. 4 7 times 28x square minus plus minus 6 7s are 42x plus 7 into 7 49. minus, change sign करें, previous sign was plus, new minus, minus it becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So this is cancel, and what is left? K minus 49, new sign. Okay, K, you know, K is a variable which is unknown, and you cannot subtract or add unknown from this constant. So you will write this term as first K, and then come downward, that is minus 49. Now this is my remainder, but you know, for perfect square root, remainder should be 0. This should be 0, as you have done in your question number 2. In all parts you see your remainder was 0, तो यहाँ 0 नहीं आ रहा, so we should equate this equals to 0. K minus 49 is equals to 0, so K is equals to 49. This is the value of K. So your question number 3 is completed. It is very simple, just find the square root by simple division method, and at the end you will write this statement and get the answer. Now come to its next question. Okay, students, now question number 4. Before doing question number 4, I have to tell you that question number 3 ka second part I haven't done, because it is for you. You can solve its second part. Okay, it is assignment for you people. Solve the second part of question number 3. Now the turn of question number 4. Again the same. In question number 3 you have one unknown variable, and in question number 4 you have 2 unknown variables. Okay, method is same. Square root by division, again you have to find, and at the end your remainder should be 0, and you will equate the remainder equals to 0. Now I am reading the question. Find the values of L and M. See students, you have 2 unknown, right? One is L and the other is M, so that the expression will become perfect squares. Now come to its solution. In solution again you will draw this structure and wrote this expression. It is already in descending order, so मैंने इनको नहीं छेड़ा. Now come to its first part. First is your square root of first term is 7x square. So 7x square will be your divisor, and 7x square आपका क्या होगा? आपका ये quotient भी होगा. Now you will multiply 7 times 49x4 minus, and bring this expression down, minus 70x cube plus 109x square plus lx minus m. Students, I am doing its second part for you people. First part is simple. वहाँ पर जो constants थे they are very simple, like x4 जो coefficients थे, तो मैंने थोड़ा सा आपके लिए difficult choose किया है. Second में you have seen larger coefficients, 49 है, 109 and 70, so that is why I am doing its second part, right? So 7x square 7 times, yes, first step I have done, then multiplied it with 2 or write again this divisor, so it becomes 14x square, right? Minus 70x cube plus, as it is आपने लिख ली expression. Then the turn of again your second, obviously you will now you will solve its second part. For second part you will need quotient. Okay, तो quotient कैसे लिखेंगे? This first term minus 70x cube divide this first term by this divisor 14x square. So 14 I think 14 कितने times होगा? x square cancel, 14 5 times, so minus 5x is my quotient. Right over here sorry, minus 5x, minus 5x. So now the turn of multiplication, you have done this multiplication in first parts. Now multiply these two terms with this 5. So 14 5s are minus 70x cube minus minus plus 25x square. Leave some space. Your previous sign is negative. Now new sign will be plus. Previous sign is plus, new sign will be negative. Cancel out these term. 109 minus 25 will be 84 x square plus lx minus m. Again यहाँ क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? I am writing this minus 5x again, so it becomes 14x square minus 5, 10. I am not explaining here too much because in my previous video I explained a lot in very detail this question. The question is finding square root by division method. Okay. Now again the turn of next quotient, next quotient, this first term you will divide this first term 84x square को किससे divide करेंगे? 14x square से. They will cancel and 14 I think it's 6 times 84 plus 6 so multiply करते हैं. These two already have done multiplication. Now the turn of last, that is 14 6 times 84 x square minus 60x and plus 36. There is no sign, so plus will be there, new sign will be minus. माइनस है तो ये प्लस बन गया, प्लस बिकम्स नेगेटिव. ठीक है, चेंज ऑफ साइन, इन साइंस को चेंज कर देते हैं. ओके, नाउ यू कैन नॉट सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस सेल फ्रॉम 60 एंड सेम m फ्रॉम 36 बिकॉज दिस l and m these are unknown. So you will write and you will always start writing from this expression. ठीक है, जो ऊपर लिखा हुआ होता है. So what is left? lx, this is plus 60x minus m minus 36. Okay, what you have done or what I have done or what you will be done, that you will start writing from this side. First you will wrote the x terms, that is lx over here plus 60x, then move on to the constant term, that the upper constant term is minus m and then this minus 36. ठीक है, यहाँ से start करना है, यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है, then this side and then this term. So ये आपका बन जाता है एक expression. This is your remainder and you have see this remainder is not equal to 0. But for perfect square you know that your remainder should be 0. So what I am going to do next is, मैं ये रेस कर रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ remainder छोड़ रही हूँ यहाँ पर. You will write for perfect square remainder, perfect square root कहते हैं. ठीक है, remainder is equals to 0. What is your remainder? lx plus 60x minus m minus 36 is equals to 0. I am repeating, lx plus 60x minus m minus 36 is equals to 0. चलें, next x is common in these two terms. Take this term common, a variable common, l plus 60, and minus sign is common over here, m plus 36 is equals to 0. Now the difference of these two terms is, so x into l plus 60 minus m plus 36, this is equal to 0. If this is equals to 0, it means your left hand side, this left hand side, this minus this, ये दोनों 0 होंगे, then their subtraction is equals to 0. Okay, so you will write therefore this term, okay, this term, this whole this term, ये भी 0 होगी, ये भी 0 होगी, obviously ये भी 0 and 0 minus 0 is equals to 0 is equals to 0, ऐसे आएगा आपके पास. ओके, सो यहाँ पर क्या होगा मेरे पास, therefore x into l plus 60 is equals to 0 and you will use the word and, not or. okay, be very careful, और नहीं आएगा, दोनों लाजमी 0 होनी चाहिए. and this term m plus 36 is equals to 0. as you know x is not equal to 0, therefore L plus 60 is equals to 0 or L is equals to minus 60, and over here M is equals to minus 36. Direct I transport this plus to the other side, it becomes minus 36, and over here I shift this plus 60 to other side, it becomes minus 60. So this is the value of L, make a box, and this is the value of M. Right students, I hope you will get this point, that when you put remainder is equals to 0, your both these terms, this term and this term, both these terms should be 0, and you will write the word and, और नहीं लिखना आपने, ना ही सेमीकोलन इस तरह से आपने डालने हैं. From this equation you get the value of L, and from the other factor you get the value of M, that is M is equals to minus 36. Its first part भी इसी तरह से है, very simple. I hope you can do its first part very easily. Now come to its question number 5th. Okay, now question number 5th. Question number 5th is to make this expression a perfect square, what should be added, what should be subtracted, and what should be the value of x. They asked you three different things. Obviously these three things you can answer them by finding its square root by division method, and then by observing its remainder. Okay, again you will do very simple square root by division method. Look, this expression is already in descending order. I am writing over here again, 9x4 12x cube 22x square minus 13x plus 12. It is already in descending order, so no need to arrange or any change. ठीक है, first term first क्या करते हैं, your first turn is to find the square root of first term. 9x4 का square root ले लें, 9 square root 3 and x square 4 का क्या आ जाएगा, x square. So your divisor and quotient is 3x square. Multiply this 3 times 9 x4 space छोड़े minus, it will cancel 22x square minus 13x plus 12. Now you will add or multiply it with 2, so it becomes 2 3s are 6x square. Okay, मैंने direct multiply कर दिया है. Now the turn of second coefficient find out करते हैं. minus 12x cube को divide करेंगे by this 6x square and minus 2x. क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, minus 2x divisor and quotient. तो you have done this multiplication, so 6 2s are minus 12x cube minus minus plus 2 2s are 4x square. Change sign, minus sign is present, new sign will be plus, plus sign is present, new sign will be, यहाँ इधर sign change करते हैं, this will cancel, plus minus minus and the sign of greater value, that is 18x square minus 13x plus 12. Or 6x square as it is minus 2x, it becomes minus 4x. ठीक है. Then again the turn of finding quotient, not coefficient, sorry, quotient. Divide this term 18x square by this first term. Okay, first term को divide करना है. 6 3s are 18. So my quotient is and divisor is 3. These two multiplications have done, so third पे आते हैं. 6 3s are 18x square minus plus minus 4 3s are 12x plus 9. चेंज करें साइन, minus 13 plus 12x क्या आ जाएगा, minus x and plus 12 minus 9 plus 3. This is my remainder. ठीक है. Now जितनी भी क्वेश्चंस हैं वी विल डील विद दिस रिमाइंडर, ठीक है। क्या है हमारे पास? फर्स्ट पार्ट वाज, योर फर्स्ट पार्ट वाज, क्या वो पूछ रहे थे? दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट व्हाट शुड बी एडेड, what should be added. Look students, this is your remainder, okay, so to make its perfect square, ठीक है। अब आप स्टूडेंट्स इसमें क्या चीज़ ऐड करेंगे? दैट योर रिमाइंडर विल बी ज़ीरो। ऑब्वियसली एडिशन में आप क्या करते हैं? हमेशा सेम एक्सप्रेशन ऐड करते हैं टू गेट नो सॉरी वो सब्ट्रैक्शन वो हम करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन में। इन एडिशन वी गेट ऑपोजिट साइंस, ठीक है, एक्सप्रेशन हैविंग ऑपोजिट साइंस, तब हमारा रिमाइंडर। देखिए एक्स में आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड माइनस एक्स में आई विल ऐड प्लस एक्स, एंड प्लस 3 में आई विल ऐड माइनस 3, ठीक है। ये मैं ऐड करूँगी तो मेरा रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो हो जाएगा। लुक, मैं आप स्टूडेंट्स के लिए कर रही हूँ। देखें इसमें मैंने x ऐड किया, यहाँ माइनस 3, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? दे विल कैंसिल विद ईच अदर, ओके, ठीक है। इसी तरह से डायरेक्ट हमने इनको कैंसिल आउट कर देना है। सो व्हाट शुड बी एडेड? x माइनस 3, ऑपोजिट एक्सप्रेशन सेम होगी, टर्म्स उसके सेम होंगे बट विद डिफरेंट साइन। यहाँ माइनस है तो प्लस, प्लस है तो माइनस। second question is second part, what should be subtracted, what should be subtracted from it so that this becomes zero. तो subtraction में हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि in subtraction always you will subtract the same expression, ठीक है। सेम एक्सप्रेशन आप जब करते हैं तो उस वक्त आपका जो है वो कैंसिल हो जाते हैं, साइन चेंज करते हैं सब्ट्रैक्शन में, ठीक है, एडिशन में नहीं करते। तो यहाँ आ जाएगा माइनस एक्स प्लस 3, दिस टर्म शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड। तो देखिए इफ़ आई रोट ओवर हेयर माइनस एक्स प्लस 3, तो ये साइन चेंज होंगे एंड माइनस एंड दिस विल कैंसिल विद ईच अदर, ओके। तो याद रखिएगा एडिशन में यू विल ऐड द सेम एक्सप्रेशन विद डिफरेंट साइंस यहाँ के, एंड इन सब्ट्रैक्शन यू विल सब्ट्रैक्ट द सेम एक्सप्रेशन, ठीक है, और उसके बाद फिर साइन चेंज होकर हो जाता है। एंड लास्ट पार्ट, योर लास्ट पार्ट इज़ व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, व्हाट शुड बी वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। क्या वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स जो है क्या आता है हमारे पास? वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, यस, फॉर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर स्टूडेंट्स यू नो, फॉर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर रूट योर रिमाइंडर शुड बी ज़ीरो। तो इन सोल्यूशन, ये सोल्यूशंस हैं, ओके, दीज आर सोल्यूशंस। इन सोल्यूशन यू विल राइट रिमाइंडर is equals to 0, remainder is this, so minus x is equals to minus 3, cancel out कर दें, x is ये cancel out होंगे, x is equals to 3, so x is equals to 3 is your answer. I hope students ये आपको clear हुआ होगा। this side, left hand side, this is very easy. अगर आपको क्वेश्चन 2 बहुत अच्छे से आता है, यू कैन डू दिस साइड वेरी इजीली। फॉर इट्स क्वेश्चंस द रिमेनिंग पार्ट्स दैट व्हाट शुड बी एडेड, व्हाट शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड, व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। आई होप ये आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा कि हमने ये किस तरह से करना है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स डू ट्राई इट्स एग्जाम्पल्स, ठीक है। एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3 विच इज़ सेम लाइक योर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, तो वहाँ आपको और ज़्यादा क्लियर हो गया होगा कि व्हाट शुड बी वी हैव टू ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट, और द रिमाइंडर फॉर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो तो रिमाइंडर 0 बना के व्हाट शुड बी द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स। विद दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 योर एक्सरसाइज 6.3 इज़ completed. I hope students chapter number 6 is clear to you, in which I explained you how to find HCF by factorization, by division, LCM, simplest form, and then at the end square root by division and square root by factorization. Okay, so take care. Allah Hafiz.